All right, so this week we're going to be looking at three pairs. Looks like we had a great day today in the markets, so let's jump straight into it. We're going to be looking at Apple, Tesla, and Nvda. As we can see in this market over here, Apple over here, what we're trading today, was very easy and simple to trade. Only three trades for this entire day, and you would have made an incredible amount. So, as we can see over here, market starts off in a bullish trend, entering right about here, exiting, could have made a small profit, and over here entering into a short and closing out very quickly, either making a small profit or breaking even or a small loss. Then jumping into a call, having it retest our line, going up, having it retest again, and then just staying in the trade throughout the entire day. Now over here would be common point where a lot of people would leave the market. As soon as they see it turning around and going down, they might think that they want to keep their profits, get out, and then that's it. That's it for the day. However, it was just retesting this level right here. As we can see over here, bounces off once, twice, three times, four times, and it doesn't break that level. In fact, it goes up and it breaks the top level right here. Right here, breaks that, goes down, and goes all the way up. If it held on to that, it would have been fine. Now let's go into Tesla, because Tesla has been ringing a lot of bells and making a lot of noise in the markets this past month. We're looking at Tesla on the minute chart. However, if we slide over to the 1 hour chart and we look at Tesla from the beginning of December, we can see that on December 1st, Tesla was at 200, just about 200. Then it dropped today all the way to 100. Let's go back to the minute chart. As we can see, market open today, Tesla was at 100, which is great for short, well, 101, close enough, which is great for short sellers. Now, what caused this drop? Elon Musk purchased Twitter. He had to sell a lot of Tesla. In the process, a lot of short sellers came in, they shorted the market, and they made lots of profits with Tesla this past month. They did great with Tesla. They did great shorting Tesla. However, even though they were shorting Tesla, today would have been good for Tesla if you had bought it and if you had made a call. As we can see over here, the markets were very similar. A lot of the charts were very similar today. Tesla started off bullish, bearish, then bullish again. As we can see over here, it's going down, then it pops back up. If you would have stayed into the trade, in this one trade over here that you would have placed around 9:45 a.m., 10 o'clock, then you would have done pretty well. Now, let's look at other charts throughout the day. Let's look at QQQ. As we can see, very similar today. Very similar. Bullish, bearish, bullish. Let's look at SPY. Very similar once again. Bullish, bearish, bullish. Let's look at Aapl. Aapl. Very similar. Let's look at, let's look at Netflix. Netflix was a little bit different. Started off in a bearish trend, however, it did turn around and it was similar, however, there was a larger drop. So, as we can see, the market was it was moving in a similar way for a lot of these stocks. So, let's hop into the last one of the day, Nvda. Nvda started off bearish and then it turned around and became bullish. So, it was I wouldn't have placed a first trade. I wouldn't have traded Nvda until about, say, 9:40 around here. I would have held on to it for a brief period of time, got out, got into a call, and I would have been finished trading around 10:30 or 11, and I would have just monitored my trades for the rest of the day, and that would have been fine. So that's it for this week. Apple, Netflix, Nvidia. Very simple, very easy to trade. We're going to have live sessions. If you're interested in these live sessions in our trading room, go to our website, send us an email, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.